KATC meteorologist Rob Perillo.
Welcome back. Well, the threat of severe weather for Acadiana for several more hours. After that, it's going to be smooth sailing, and as expected, greatest risk of severe storms, and they're ongoing right now from central Louisiana on northward. So let's get to it and show you what's going on with respect to the satellite imagery. As we look at that high resolution satellite imagery, got a lot going on the graphics right now. If we can take a look at this image right back here, there we go. And we have some very cold cloud tops pushing minus 70 degrees at the top. So you can see where the storms are strongest. Northern Louisiana, you can see a big storm top taking shape right here in western Mississippi, and then other severe storms busting out this afternoon and continuing this evening. All points to the east, and you can see on the 3D enhancement where the strongest storms are, just into southwestern Mississippi, thank goodness. Got a little bit of a supercell right here that's rolling through southwestern Louisiana, and we'll watch to see if there's any more activity developing over here. But it looks like once we get through this backside, which will probably be, it's 5:42 right now, probably another 2 to 3 hours, we're going to be in good shape. But as we look at the radar satellite composite, tornado watches all the way through the deep south, including all of Acadiana. We'll get to that in just a bit. And as we add the lightning on top, you can see where it's popping from central western Louisiana and then off to the north and east. A ton of cloud to ground lightning going on. Currently, warnings, we have one in northeastern Vernon Parish going into Rapides Parish for the possibility of damaging winds. See a lot of plus signs here. This is actually probably was a tornado earlier. It spun up just to the north of the Leesville area and then has been pushing off to the east and then back to the south and west. We'll watch this cell. There's a severe thunderstorm warning for this cell. Let's see how long this is in effect for. That one just came in a little while ago, and let's see if we can get that right here to pop up till 5:45 this afternoon. And then, of course, we have the tornado watch as well. We do have some scattered storms developing across St. Landry, Lafayette Parish, but below severe levels. But we'll have to keep an eye on these. These will likely continue to intensify as they move off to the north and east. And then as we do some storm tracking, you can see numerous storms rotating as we get into northeast Louisiana, southwestern Mississippi, and then other pockets. The possibility of hail, and that's going to be the story. We have that tornado watch through 10 o'clock for all of Acadiana. It will end early for most of Acadiana, but all threats possible, including damaging winds in excess of 70 miles an hour. Hail, probably golf ball size, but it could be larger, especially in the northern portion of this watch area, up to 2.5 inches, and maybe isolated long track tornadoes that are going to be strong, which is EF2 or greater. So that's going to be probably in the central and northern part of the state. So this is the risk of severe storms. All of Acadiana in an enhanced level 3 out of 5 risk for severe weather through this evening, but hopefully the worst of it stays to the north of us, but areas that don't need it anymore. And again, you can see that line delineating pretty much all the way down to Highway 182 and even into northern portions of St. Mary Parish. So here's the extended high-resolution rapid refresh model showing the best chance of storminess locally, and it's been doing this all day long, showing us pretty much between 6:30 and about 8 o'clock tonight, and then the worst storms are pushing off to the east. And notice not a whole lot of storms. We'll see some showers, and then going into tomorrow morning clouds, but afternoon sun coming back. It's going to be a nice day for our Monday. Closer look, here's the latest predictive radar, and it's been indicating much the same. Stormy conditions across perhaps Lafayette and surrounding parishes at 7 to 8 o'clock this evening. So these are the storms that we're going to have to watch. And again, it'll be beating the band off to the north and east of us. By 8:30, 9 o'clock tonight, just some renegade showers. The severe weather threat will be done with. And again, looking ahead to a very nice day for tomorrow. Quick look at one of the severe weather parameters. We're looking at the helicity index, or the tornado spin potential. And this is what we'll have to be on the lookout for. Maybe something develops in the Gulf. Have to watch this as we get into Vernon and then the coastal parishes. So that's where maybe the tornado risk will be greatest early this evening, then shifting eastward and then moving on out. Other thing, we're going to see winds gusting already over 30. We could see a few more wind gusts pushing the 40-mile-an-hour range. And in the areas of magenta, those are 50-mile-an-hour winds. So some pretty strong winds with those storms as they roll on through, and then much quieter thereafter. Temperature-wise tonight, lower 60s your low. Tomorrow, getting getting back into the lower 80s with lots of sunshine. So I'm going pretty high on the rain chances, maybe a few severe storms, so look out for that. Gusty winds 30 to 40, and we'll be cutting in on air and on KATC.com and social media if things start hitting the fan. And then tomorrow, beautiful day, 81 the high with mostly sunny skies. Another nice day for Tuesday, but the break is short. Guess what? Another weather system coming in Wednesday, especially Wednesday night. That could be another severe weather producer. After that, it looks like an extended stretch of some pretty nice weather going into the weekend and beyond. That's it for weather for right now. We'll be right back right after this.